In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up courses on Circle. So, first, we'll begin by logging into your Circle.so admin account. This is your central hub where all the magic begins. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, find and click on Courses, then click on Create Course. This initiates the course setup process, allowing you to craft and customize your course according to your vision. Next, let's enter a title for your course. It's important to choose a name that's both descriptive and engaging for your participants. Once you've entered a fitting title, go ahead and click Next. With the course title set, we can move on and start adding modules or sections. These modules help you organize your course content into digestible segments. For each module, click Add Module. You'll need to name each module appropriately to reflect its content or theme. Simply enter the module name and hit Save. Now you're ready to populate these modules with content. For this, click Add Lessons/Content to Module. This is where you'll flesh out your course with meaningful material. To add a lesson, click Add Lesson. Here you'll choose the type of content you want to include, be it text, video, PDF, or an embedded item. Enter or upload your content and remember to save your work. Once your course content is in place, consider setting the course pricing. This is a crucial step if you're offering paid courses. Clearly outline your pricing strategy for your audience. Moving forward, consider course access and visibility. Navigate to Set Access/Visibility to determine who can view your courses. You have the option to make it available to members only or restrict it to specific plans. Make sure to save any changes you make in this section. When you're satisfied with your configurations, it's time to make your course live. Simply click on Publish, and your course will be accessible to your intended audience. If you're managing multiple courses, consider organizing them under categories or different modules. This optional step can enhance navigation and improve user experience. Furthermore, customizing workflows within Circle.so can automate interactions based on user behaviors. Begin by accessing automations workflows from the left sidebar. Pinpoint a workflow you'd like to modify and click Edit. Here, you can adjust triggers, actions, and even add or remove steps to fine-tune how the workflow operates. Click on triggers you want to modify, select the event you wish to act upon, and save your changes. For actions, choose the type, from sending emails to updating a field, and configure the details carefully before saving. Moreover, you have the option to review conditions and delays. Tweak the settings as necessary to make sure everything aligns with your intent. Once you're satisfied, confirm all your changes by saving the workflow. Finally, it's important to test your workflow. Simulate events to ensure that your workflow functions as expected, providing a smooth experience for your users. With all these steps completed, you're well on your way to successfully launching engaging courses on Circle. So